In today's video, I'm going to show you the new Bookbolt 2.0 interface, the new features and updates. On this page, you can see the plans. We've got newbie and pro, and you can also see the difference. On pro plan, we've got access to the Bookbolt Studio and to puzzle creation tool and all interiors. And this one is the yearly plan. Let's check the monthly one. This one is the monthly. If you have any interest, you can get 20% off lifetime. The link will be down below in the description. So let's go inside the Bookbolt. We are on the main page and you can see the first tab is product research. Here we can type the keywords. We also have category search. Let's say tracker. Here we've got products, we've got live products and deleted. We can sort by BSR rank or reviews, and we can also search for keywords on authors. Here we can click on advanced search, and you can see here we can search between certain BSR rank, average BSR rank, estimated sales, price, rating, and review numbers. So let's say 100,000 and just trackers and just hit search. So let's scroll and see what we've got. So the first one is monthly bill payment checklist. You can see the price, estimate sales, the BSR rank, average BSR rank. You can see the ICN number, reviews, publication date, publisher, everything. Here you can see the related keywords. And from this clock, when you click, you can see the graph, how this book is going. You can see here is the sales rank and the price. They raise the price because this book is doing very well. From this heart, you can make these favorites. You can add category and add this keyword to the category, or you can add keywords and products. And from here, we can this is the second option, the book scout. When you click here, it's going to open the book scout. This is a reverse ICN search. When you place the ICN number here and hit search, you can see the keywords that this book is ranking, and from here we can select by total items or search volume. You can see 4-year-old gift. You've got 30,841 items. So this is our competition and the search volume. From here, when you click here, you will go to product research. From here to keyword research. Here is more details. You can see the estimate monthly sales volume and competition score. And from here, you can add these keywords also to the keyword list, to the favorites. So this is the favorites. Here you can add categories or keywords. And if you got many keywords, you can move them from one to other categories. So the next one is keyword research. Here we can type, let's say, logbook, search, and you can see the search volume and the keywords, product search, keyword search. Here also you can see the graph and the estimate monthly sales, competition score, and the related keywords, favorites. And on our right side, you can see the Google search with CPC. If you're running cuts, you can, this information will be very useful for you. So on the bottom, you can see related keywords. The next one is a new one, movers and shakers. Here you can check the books that just take off. You can search by categories, and you've got daily, weekly, and monthly search. Let's say guest book, weekly search, and you can see the books that are going very well the last week. Here you can see the graph. You can see estimate sales, how the BSR rank is moving, the ratings, everything. This is very nice feature. Let's go on next section, Evergreens. This section will be just for Evergreens. And here we've got few options. Search by 1 month period time, 2 months or 3 months. You can search by categories. Let's say workbook, guest book. And we can add the BSR rank. Let's say 50,000. 1 month period and just hit search. So you can see the first one is hotel, holiday home guest book. You can see the BSR rank, estimate search volume, estimate sales, the ICN number, everything, and you can scroll and see what is trending last month, and you can start creating books like this. Here, sign in book for guest funeral, happy birthday guest book, pink. This one is baby shower. So you can do the same for different categories or just plain search. So let's go on the next one, book archive. So here you can see the stats for certain day, and because it's a new feature, it starts from August. So let's say from here you can search for months or just dates. Let's say 18th of September. And here you can see the top 500 books that are doing very well on this certain day. You can see the minimum BSR rank, the maximum BSR rank, the average, lower price, and so on. And you can start scrolling and see which books are selling on this specific day. This way you can search for holidays, especially for certain days of the year, and you can also from here add this book on the favorites. You can see the graph, how it's going, and you can also from here do reverse ICN search and see the keywords that this book is ranking. So the next one is KDP category. Let's go. You can see here is planner, but let's say coloring book for kids. Hit search and you can see the categories for this certain book. And if you don't want, let's say, equipment, you can just type minus equipment search and it's going to exclude this one. You can type minus in words and you can exclude certain categories. So the next one is Bookbolt Studio cover converter. So the cover converter, if you are doing merch and you've got t-shirt designs and you want to convert these t-shirt designs on covers, you can convert them with these two. We can also go to workstation Bookbolt lister. You can list your books faster and KDP spike. And also you've got tutorials for every feature. You've got video and you can check and see how it works. So let's open the Bookbolt Studio. So here we've got projects, downloads, files, edit, warning, help and settings. You can see on projects, when you go on new project, let's type the name, let's say test 1, 6 by 9 interior, or you can use 8.5 by 11 or different size, 7 by 10, let's say 6 by 9, black and white interior with white paper, 100 pages, paperback cover in interior. You can add wall content on AI story generator. We're going to do wall content, create project. This one is going to be the book cover with the dimensions, and after that is going to be the pages. So here we've got elements, we've got text, we've got images, we've got uploads and pixabay images, we've got interiors. Let's add which one, journal page. We've got three variants. Let's do white journal, select all, continue, submit. And now we're going to have the whole interior in this kind of pages. From here, let's go back. You can see how many interiors you can have. You've got puzzles, you've got word searches, everything. And you can see measurements, workbooks, planners, everything. It's endless. You can create books so faster with these two. So let's go back and we're going to do image generator, and we going to create, let's say, cute cartoon cat. You can change the style from here. Let's say cartoon, generate image. There you go. We've got very nice cat. So this one is the image generator. Let's go back and story generator. So I didn't play with this. I will do another video for this feature. So let's go back and let's open KDP Spy. Let's add this to our browser, and I will go on Amazon. Now let's activate this one. And here, when we type, let's say, adult coloring book, hit search, and you can see when we click on the KDP Spy icon, there you go, I'm inside. So from here, we can search, we can just click start, and it's going to add books from this keyword search. And when you decide it, you can just click stop, and you can download this, or you can save it. You can check the BSR rank, the ISN numbers, everything. But the good thing is, when you click on keywords, this is the main keywords, and when you hit search here, you can see the search volume and the keywords, and you can start opening this book in different window and do the same. Let's say coloring books for adults, coloring books, or let's find something different. This one, adult coloring markers for adult coloring books. Let's open this one, and it's going to open this on Amazon, and we can hit the KDP Spy icon again, keywords, search, and it's going to search similar words for this one, and this way you can find very unique keywords. And here is the search volume. So this is very nice approach. Let's go back. I think I cover everything. So with that being said, guys, I hope this video was helpful for you and you like the new Bookbolt 2.0 features. If so, hit the subscribe button, notification bell. I will highly appreciate this. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.